you are beginning, just yoga is great for keeping the feet distance apart. And like I just rooted my under the feet on the floor, just keeping my back, not arching. Bring your pelvic in, extend your arms out, and breathe out here. Arms are long, and spine engaged, core engaged here. Keep breathing. Exhale. It's great for the blood circulation and heart functions.